With the rise of app-based services and social media such as Facebook and Twitter, more and more standard practices are automated into a digital form. One good example is a pizza delivery apps, tracking the delivery of the pizza, such that a delivery can be anticipated. Waiting is universal hatred and common amongst everyone, and so is traveling. Now imagine an app that can not only help you but also help your community. Enter Bruce Uber, a taxi service fully automated by an app. Let's have a look at how this works. I am Brian, I want to go to the city library. I log on to the app using my name and password. Here I have my profile. Here I can view my recent trips and other statistics. I enter the address, and within seconds I will get a response from a nearby driver. If I agree with the driver and the fees calculated, I select confirm. A live feedback will be available so I can anticipate the driver. Once the trip is completed, the fee will be paid digitally and now free to browse the library. Compared with the well-known service Uber, Bruce Uber will give control of its function back to the community. This is special because it offers special discounts and cheaper fares to popular landmarks or businesses within the community. Here we have an app not only designed to help individuals but local businesses and exposing places to people who may not be aware of the city or town. With this, Bruce Uber affects not only the software architect, software developers, managers or distributors such as Android or Apple, but will give pride back to drivers, and their community they serve. Let's examine the architecture. This will mainly be a slightly modified publish and subscribe architectural style design. Clients will publish a trip, or ad, and the driver will respond once subscribed. Let's see how this works for Brian from an architecture side. A driver will provide their username, their location and destination. Once this is acquired, the region will send a procedure call to the server to post a job for drivers to accept, through the use of a distribution and event connector. Once the driver accepts, a confirmation event will trigger through the event connector to send a confirmation request to the client. Once accepted and both sides agree, thus two confirmation messages are received, a procedure calling a stream connector to stream the driver's current location to the client in real time. Once the two locations match each other, the trip will proceed. Once the driver's location matches the destination, the transaction will proceed and the trip is completed. The focus on community will limit the system, which is only designed to operate within mildly busy or small well-known cities and towns. This is because the structure of the publish-subscribe style is vulnerable if no support is given with high-volume data. However, as a young business, Bruce Uber will be degraded due to the rise of Uber and other competitors. Although the design is not designed for mass usage, with time the architecture can be improved on, and will be ultimately structured for growth, but this can only be determined by the community, where the power should be. Thank you.